Hi there, let's talk about everybody's favorite topic, gut health, or maybe it's just mine. I'm Ashley Oswald, a functional medicine dietitian and founder of Oswald Digestive Clinic, and today I would like to talk about the prebiotic benefits in dates. So prebiotics are basically the food for probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial microorganisms. You have them all over your body and you have a large amount in your large intestine. So what happens when you eat a date is it travels down your esophagus, through your stomach, and trickles into your small intestine right about here, where humans lack the enzymes needed to properly break down these prebiotic fructans into their simple sugar units. So they keep traveling into your large intestine, which is home to a lot of your bacteria. And these bacteria take this prebiotic food, they ferment it, and they create all sorts of beneficial compounds. This fermentation process can also help to improve and increase the growth of two beneficial bacteria in your gut, bifidobacteria and lactobacilli. And research shows that if you have a higher amount of these good bacteria, it can help with four things. It can help to relieve diarrhea, it can help to improve your immune system, it can help to suppress pathogens, so bad bacteria, and it can help to improve calcium absorption. Dates also have polyphenols, which can further help to suppress bad bacteria and improve the growth of good bacteria. So lately, I've been really enjoying having a date after my dinner meals. I find that it's really delicious and it helps to satisfy my sweet tooth. So I hope you also enjoy, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.